Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today we learn alphabets, numbers and shapes. Kids class name. Red color, green color, black color, blue color, yellow color, yellow color. Kids and I coloring alphabets, numbers and shapes. Kids first we draw A. A is for ant. A is for apple. Kids now draw B. B is for ball. B is for bat. And use green color. Kids now draw C. C is for cat. C is for car. And use black color. Kids now draw D. D is for dog. D is for doll. And use blue color. Kids now draw E. E is for egg. E is for elephant. And use yellow ochre color. Kids now draw numbers. And first we draw 1. The numbers of 1 and use red color. O and E1. Kids now draw 2. The numbers of 2 and use green color. T W or 2. Kids now draw 3. The numbers of 3 and use black color. T H R W 3. Kids now draw 4. The numbers of 4 and use blue color. F O U R 4. Kids now draw 5. The numbers of 5 and use yellow ochre color. F I V E 5. Kids now draw shapes. And first we draw a square. The shape of square and use red color. Kids now draw circle. The shape of circle and use green color. Kids now draw triangle. The shape of triangle and use black color. Kids now draw heart. The shape of heart and use blue color. The shape of heart. Kids now draw Easter. The shape of Easter and use yellow ochre color. Kids, today draw A, B, C, D, E numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shapes square, circle, triangle, heart and star. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.